Good morning, children. Welcome to the new video of chapter Light. Today, we are going to revise the concepts of chapter Light. Light helps us to see. Light is a form of energy that produces the sensation of sight in us. An object that gives out light is called a source of light. There are two types of sources of light. These are natural sources of light and the other one is artificial sources of light. Natural sources of light. Sources of light that occur in nature are called natural sources of light. The examples are sun, stars, fireflies. The sun is the main natural source of light. We are able to see objects around us during the daytime because of sunlight. Stars are also a natural source of light. Then we have artificial sources of light. The sources of light that are made by humans are called artificial or man-made sources of light. Some examples are LED bulbs, electric tube light, burning candle, torch. When the light falls on an object, it either passes through it completely, partially, or it does not pass at all. On the basis of this behavior of objects towards light, they are of three types: transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. Let's talk about transparent objects. An object that allows light to pass through it completely is called a transparent object. We can see things clearly through a transparent object. Some examples are clear glass, clean air, clean water. Next is translucent object. An object that allows only a part of light to pass through it is called a translucent object. Some examples are ground glass, butter paper, a tissue paper, a waxed paper. All these are the examples. Then we have opaque objects. An object that does not allow light to pass through it is called an opaque object. The examples are wood, metal, stone. We even discussed about rectilinear propagation of light. The property of light traveling in a straight line is called, children, rectilinear propagation of light. Some applications of rectilinear propagation of light are pinhole camera, formation of shadows, eclipse. Today, we will revise the first application of rectilinear propagation of light, that is pinhole camera. Children, pinhole camera is a simple device and it works on the principle of rectilinear propagation of light. For making a pinhole camera, we take a medium-sized box and paint the inside of the box black. Then we make a tiny hole on the face of the box with the help of a needle. We cut out a rectangular portion on the face of the box opposite to the pinhole. Then we cover this rectangular portion with ground sheet or butter paper. This sheet serves as a screen. After making a pinhole camera, place a candle on the table and light it with the matchstick. Place the pinhole camera in front of the lighted candle. The image formed is colored, it is inverted, it is real, and it is generally smaller than the size of the object. So these are the characteristics of image formed by a pinhole camera, and this is all possible because of rectilinear propagation of light, that is, light travels in a straight line. With this, we come to the end of today's video. Thank you, children.